TNT trains here. This Penn Flyer G gauge with its remote from Lionel
and a caboose.
And a caboose. It
and
was
a car and a pencil train in Pennsylvania.
That's right. It's got a remote. It's got RC remote control. This was gifted to us because it has not been working very well. So we're going to open it up, set up the track, and see if we can figure out why it's not working as reliably as it should. You ready for this?
Yeah.
All right. So on this one side, we have the engine. Let's go ahead and carefully pull everything out. We do have batteries, so we'll have to see if these batteries work or if they are ones that need to be replaced. Don't forget the cargo. And then once we flip over the styrofoam, we'll get to the track. There's our engine. Oh. There we go. So those are set aside. Let's flip this over carefully and ooh, there's our track.
Hey, remote.
There's the remote. Let's get this track out of here and see what we can make.
It came with curves.
It did.
Why did it just come with curves?
Because it makes a big curve. Here we go. Is this all of it? I think so. Let's start making some track. Let's move the box out of the way and get working. All right, you're connecting it down there. We might have to squeeze a little bit. This is that G scale that it comes with.
I cannot do it.
Well, let me help you. So we just need a... It did. Oh, this is not connecting very well. Oh, it has a caboose. Here, maybe I can only do this with one. There we go. I just barely got it connected. Let's keep going. We were gifted another box as well. This has different type of track than the Lionel. And underneath there's a train, and I don't know what's there. So, well, first let's get the track off first. So the newer Lionel has this type of track. It clips together. We have more of this track, so we're going to use this one. This is from Bachmann, and it clips together just with that slide in, as opposed to the Lionel, which will snap together. Sadly, they're not compatible, but we're going to use, since we have more of the Bachmann track, so we're going to make a loop out of that.
So these are the two working lights. This is actually a steam train. It's very old, but we got it to work. And this is the smokestack, which is, I don't know what this one is. So this is the whistle something used to go there. And this is the cab. And there's something that's covered, but we don't know it. Like, these are the things that you can jump or the coin. This is the other working one. This is one of the other ones.
And then the switches are right in there next to where the speaker plugs in.
Yeah, and this is the coal. And this is fun, and these are all the coins. But this is a flat car, this is a coal car, and this is the caboose.
So this Bachmann took 6D batteries. It has a lot of weight to it because of that. There's two switches in here. One switch will run the engine, the other switch runs the speaker. Let's go.
Hey, let's turn the speaker one on.
Alrighty.
No.
No.
Let's turn it off.
There we go. Oh, bonk, it hit me.
This is my favorite Bachmann.
It is. G-scale Bachmann. Here it comes back around.
That's looking like.
You hear it making the clicking? That's the speaker. Yes. Let me get one more pass, and we can do that.
So let's show how it does its whistle, but I don't know what kind of whistle it does.
So here's the remote. As the sign, we turn it on and it'll control the throttle. But wait, let's talk a little bit more about how this actually works. So previous owner wrote down on the side here, when you turn on the transmitter, it bypasses and lets you control the engine. But when you turn off, it'll just let the engine run on its own. And the traction tire has already come off. That's to be expected given how old this is. But let's go ahead and show off the remote. William, go turn it on. Go turn on the train. Yes, I will help you. All right, let's get this going here. Feel it almost under here, and there we go. Uh-oh, what's that? Oh, there we go. Here, Bessie? So stop, it'll go reverse, and now forward.
Why is not going on?
It's not going on?
No, Daddy is doing another Sonic to me.
It's almost like it's, the noise is just static. Go ahead and make it go forward. Yeah, there really doesn't seem to be a whole lot of different speed settings. You'll go full speed, you'll go kind of slow down. The static shuffling slows down. But given how old it is, I'm just excited we got it working again. And we have a station for the people to get off. They do, and a constant stream of static sound. It's a freight train. Look, it has freight cars. There's no people getting on and off this train. Let's keep going.
But there's a caboose.
Oh, there's people in the caboose. So slide the throttle up a little bit.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Probably the most old school thing about this remote is the fact that the antenna telescopes out.
Oh!
Yeah. Show us how it works. Go ahead and pull it all the way out. All the way out. There you go.
It can even power.
It can. Just in case what you're trying to control is far away, you just extend the antenna. You ready to get the other train up on the track?
If it's this point, we can do it this point. If it's this point.
And now we're gonna bring out the...
Don't say ban this train.
Well, we did that at the beginning. This is the Pennsylvania Flyer G-gauge, ready to run, large scale train. And yeah, it takes a lot of batteries. That doesn't, here, remember, we got to be careful. So,
This way?
well, let's look at the diagram in here. Let's take a look. So the spring is usually the negative. So that goes in like that, which means it needs to go that direction there. There you go. You can't get it in. Well, here, wait. Oh no, we don't want to smash it. Here, one-handed. Here we go. So that just clicks back on there. It is. Well, let me help you.
It's more easier when it's on the back.
There we go. And then this goes backwards to connect. The batteries are in the tender. Has a plug to go in the back of the engine. And there we go. So it may not look like it, but they go on the same track. This is G-scale, and then this is G-scale large, and it clearly is not working. I mean, just laying them next to each other, and the idea that that connects to that runs on the same track, evidently. And you've got the Lionel running. Go ahead and let's get the cars going. There's a switch right here that will turn it off. Right? No? Turn off the remote. Maybe we do need to unplug it, otherwise it's going to keep going. Well, go ahead. Let's put on the other car. It came with 2 cars, the caboose, and then we can't forget our cargo. And this has a nice little remote as well. Bell, whistle. Is cargo all set?
Yeah, can I?
All right, let's roll out.
Nope. Hey.
That doesn't look right. Here, go fix.
This is so I can flick me.
Are you slowing it down? So there's definitely something sketchy here. I'm hitting the power button and it's not turning off. I could unplug it, but I swore we were running it the other day and it said that it was the Polar Express. Let's see if it somehow actually recreates that.
I made a video of it.
I did. That got posted on TikTok.
Are you gonna make one not posted on TikTok? Where's the remote?
It totally stopped on its own. The remote didn't do anything. That remote isn't going to do anything.
No.
No, only this new one. Well, hope you enjoyed. We were gifted
We will see you next time.
See you next time. We were gifted 2 G-scale trains.
Bye.
Bye.